Hi, I'm Fred at Ecom. Dropshipping business is becoming more popular with every passing day, and with each day, hundreds of suppliers are coming in the market to offer dropshipping products. But are they all worth it? Absolutely not. So in this video, I am going to recommend top 5 dropshipping platforms, and I'm also going to give an overview of each platform. So let's start. So let's start with AliExpress. No matter what everyone says, AliExpress is still your best choice. And the reason behind that is its inventory of over 100 million products. So no matter which product you want, you have bought it from AliExpress. It offers products in all niches, all categories. You just have to look through it with right mindset. And we have Teaser's app that we can use to integrate it with Shopify. It has a free plan, but it doesn't provide automatic inventory change and price change with the free plan. So it is recommended to use $80 per month plan. But still, if you are willing to do that manually, you can use its free plan. Then the second on the list is Spocket. So Spocket is not actually free. It offers multiple plans, but we can use the pro plan of $49 per month to use it. It is second best in the list because of its huge inventory, fast shipping time, reliable quality, and its private packaging. So you can send your logo and add text in it, and you can have those printed on your packages, giving a better customer quality and creating your brand identity. So it also has a huge inventory of products. It ships products from USA, EU, and some other platforms as well. But we are going to ship to USA, so we will use the USA warehouse. And it does have other warehouses, but I recommend you not to use it because they are not that good. Their main focus was on USA, so their most of inventory is on USA. And a new feature that they have introduced is AliExpress dropshipping. They are syncing AliExpress product in their platform for you to buy. I highly recommend not to touch those products because if you are going to pay about $50 per month, then you wouldn't want to use AliExpress products. If you want to use AliExpress products, you can do that with research. So if you do use Spocket, then make sure that you add products from this Spocket with US or EU warehouse listed here. It also has private label products, like you can get cosmetics with your own logo and some other products as well, but mostly beauty related. So I will explain all that in another video. This one is just for an overview. So let's move on to the third app. So our third app is CJ Dropshipping app. It also has millions of products in it. The product image quality is a little low, but it can be improved by adding product descriptions from any other platforms, like finding same products from Google and adding products from there. Its shipping times are relatively fast. They are about 8 to 12 days on most of the products. Some products have longer shipping times, but you can check them. One thing that you must make sure when adding products from here, that the shipping price shouldn't be too high. So the product price at CJ is lower than even AliExpress, but shipping price is relatively high. So make sure that the combination of shipping price and cost. We have products from many niches. You will have a hard time finding products, but all products are available in CJ. So you just have to take your time and search. Their search engine isn't that good, but the products, shipping, and product quality is still good. So it is a good choice to use. Then on the fourth, we have Modalyst. So Modalyst is good for those brands who are looking to sell high ticket products, mostly in the fashion niche like women clothing, men clothing, kids clothing. It has products from hundreds of brands and it also integrates AliExpress products. But then again, I recommend not to using those because when you have choice of choosing branded products with faster shipping, why would you use AliExpress products? So they offer shipping in about 6 to 10 days. There are many good products. There is print on demand function as well. You can use it too. So I will give a deep explanation of it in another video. We're just doing an overview right now. So it has 3 plans: free plan, paid plan, and then pro plan. So hobby free plan is good to use if you are looking to sell a product from 20 to 25. But if you want to sell more products, you can use the $30 per month package with 250 products. So it is also a good app, but don't use their products of other niches. Like they do offer home related products, beauty related products, sports and entertainment related products, but they are all from AliExpress, and I would recommend you to avoid that from this set because they are a third party integration not specifically designed for AliExpress. So if you do want to use AliExpress product, use an app like DSers and AliOrders that is specifically built for AliExpress. So our last dropshipping supplier for Shopify is Wholesale Toby. They have about million products from every niche, and they offer three plans. But the plan we need to use for Shopify is $37.99 print plan. So it has a great interface and integration with Shopify. You can look for any kind of products here. It ships in Canada and United States, but it is the best choice for those who are looking to sell in the North America because it offers faster shipping to there. Shipping varies from supplier to supplier, but you can see those details once you start their paid plan. So these are the 5 best dropshipping platforms to dropship from Shopify. Do try these and let me know how your experience went. Make sure that you subscribe my channel and like my video so that you can get notifications for other videos. I am also going to explain each of these videos individually so that you can learn how to actually use these. Thanks.